Welcome to Jamaica Farmers Hut, exploring the future farmers of Jamaica. It's all about farming.
Yes, my viewers and my subscribers, welcome back to the channel, my people. It's all about Jamaican Farmers Hut. And yes, I'm here, my people. Well, it's all about, I'm just checking my fruit trees to see what is going on with the fruits here. And as you can see, I passed the noni tree first, yeah? So, let me zoom into this noni tree here to show you what's going on with the noni. We all know noni, it is good for circulation, yeah? And we have noni and we also have bird peppers. So my people, let me show you the bird peppers. The noni and the bird peppers work wonders. Yeah? The noni and the bird peppers work wonders. Yeah? So you're going to, if you check on the channel, you will see a video where I show you how to get the noni juice. You pick it and put it to drain, you know. You can lock them up into a bucket and leave them to overripe. After it drain out, to throw it out. But you had the pepper inside of it, yeah? Like if you have a bottle of noni juice, a quart, you can throw 4 of these pepper into it, yeah? And it's good for circulation. So yes, my people, you don't know. It's all about checking my fruit trees, alright? So yes, my people, you don't know. It's all about the channel. It's been a while, yeah, since I upload a video about my little area here with all these fruit trees. So today in this video, I'm here to check to see what kind of fruits I have here. Some of people, stick and stay, don't touch the dial. You will see what's happening next, all right? So yes, my people, as you can see, the first tree here, yeah, I'm at the jackfruit tree. I'm at the jackfruit tree here, and as you can see, there is a lot of jackfruit here on this tree here. Wow, this tree is so faithful, my people. Yeah, it is so faithful. Right here, I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wow, help me count it, my people. Help me count it. It is 10, don't it? Yeah. Wow. And trust me, more is there. Because look. Wow, and here's the next one. Here's the next one. It is 11. Let's count again. Let's count again, my people. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. It's 11. Check up here. Check up here, my people. Check up here, my people. Check up here. Check up here. Whoa. And it seems like I have a fit one here. Whoa. Yes, my people. All the way up, all the way up. All the way up there. Jackfruit, jackfruit, yeah. Yes, my people. And one is at the low here. So yes. And I have 2 over here. I have 2 here. Right there. So trust me, my viewers. This tree is so faithful. Yeah. I'm gonna go back and give you guys a view of everything. Yeah, that is everything. Looking good, don't it? Yes, my people. So we passed the noni, but you know we don't really eat the noni like that. We juice it, but we go to the jackfruit. Yeah, so this is the first fruit that we can really pick and eat when it when it is ripe. So this is the fittest one on the tree. This is the fittest one. Yeah. So that one is gonna ripe first. Yeah. So we're going to move on. We're going to move on, my people. All right. This is my nestberry tree. I have more than one nestberry tree. I have one over there. Yeah, I have one over there. Yeah. But this is one of my nestberry tree. And as you can see, young one is on it. Yeah, young one is on it. Young one is on it, my people. So you know, we're not gonna get any nestberry early to eat. Yeah. Oh. So yes, my viewers, it's all about walking through the place, checking my fruit trees them. All right. The star apple is out. One and two young one is on, my people. One and two young one is on the star apple tree, but they are very small. They are very small, my people. Yeah, see them? They are very small. Yeah. And trust me, I love this fruit, star apple. Love this fruit, star apple. So star apple is young also. I'm trying to see if I can get any coconut off the tree. Yeah. Tree so tall we can't get any jelly off it. But we could get dry coconut, you know what I mean? So the next move, I'm gonna move to the apple tree. Alright, so stick and stay. Alright, right now I'm at the apple tree, but there's a but. Yeah. There's a pan. Yeah. Some of you guys call it lake. Yeah. So all that green grass you see over there, water. Yeah, it is pure water, but it is covered by water lily. Yeah. Let me zoom in. It covered by water lily. Yeah. You know, the fishes them love the water lily. Yeah, the root of it. So it covered by water lily, but water is there. Yeah, so we are here underneath the apple tree. And I see blossom. I see blossom. Let me zoom in and show you blossom. Some focus. I see blossom. Alright, you can look underneath the tree. You see the little thing of the blossom. Yeah. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna set myself properly. I'm going to show you the blossom. Yeah. This is one of my favorite fruit also. Blossom is there. So very soon, we're gonna have apple to eat. So yes, my people. It's all about, oh wow. Yeah, I can see inside of the coconut tree. Good from here. Yeah. So that's it. There is about 2 dry ones inside there. Can't wait for them to drop. Alright. To make some coconut oil and some coconut rundown. Don't it? At this time, I'm going to take you to my little plantation. It's have a little grass here and there, but I'm gonna show you around my little plantation, alright? Stick and stay. In the meanwhile, I'm gonna leave a link right here. Yeah, you can check it out. It's all about the next video you can watch in your spare time. Stick and stay. Yeah. Alright, these are my colon mint. Yeah, colon mint. These are my oregano. These are my leaf of life. Alright, so yes, I have bird pepper here also. Yeah, I have some callaloo seedling here. Yeah, and as you can see, I have 3 planting sucker here. It was 2 planting sucker I laid down here and they started to grow. So I need to take them out. Yeah, someone asked me for them, but don't come for them, you know what I mean? So yes, my people, going through the plantation, taking a next shortcut. Yes, this is the big bunch banana, as you can see from day one. And as you can see, 2 hand almost gone. Yeah, because I have to test it, you know. And it is very young, but as you can see, the finger them very big. Yeah, very huge, but very young banana. Yes, my people. Yeah, when I'm going to the plantation, I have to walk on the cocoa leaf, banana leaf, and all those things to go. So yeah, be around with me, liquor. As you can see, the first fridge here is my turmeric fridge. This fridge is my turmeric fridge. My turmeric fridge. So most of the time when I'm cooking and I need a little piece of turmeric, I run here and dig out a little piece. As you can see, and I have callaloo also inside there. Yeah, but most of them seed up now. This fridge over here, I have a June plum tree that I plant into it lately. Yeah, so it's all about waiting on it to manifest and to bear. You know what I mean? I have a planting sucker that I plant right here. Yeah. My little favorite mint. Wow, my little favorite mint. I love this mint so badly. Yes. And I try to nurture it. You know what I mean? But trust me, it reached this far and it started to spring. And I love that. So I try to weed out all the grass from around it. Yeah. But I love it and it smells sweet, you see. And I have an next root of Colon mint here beside it. Here, I have a... Oh my God. You don't see what is going on, my people. You don't see what is going on. Goat. Goat, I eat my chocho plant. Goat is eating my chocho plant. Whoa, I have to do something. I have to take it back over the fence. Can't believe it. I'm going over there now to take it back over the fence. Yeah, but I love my chocho plant so much. Just can't wait to see it start to bear. And then goats start to eat it. Whoa. I cut these callaloo lately. Yeah. Right here, I plant 2 cane top in this surrounding here. Yeah, I plant two cane top inside here. I want to test it to see how it grows cane. But I have a root of cane here also. Yeah. Trust me. Nice root of cane, you know. I love cane so much, so I plant it a lot. I have a gungo tree. This gungo tree I planted when I just started this little farm. Whoa. Nearly smashed my mint. Look on the gungo plant now. Look on the gungo tree. I can't wait for it to bear. It's gonna give me a lot of gungo, alright? Yeah. I have more callaloo here. Callaloo. Alright, this fridge is my ginger fridge. All here is ginger. Whoa, I started to smell the ginger already. Yeah, ginger fridge, you know what I mean? I have some callaloo over here grow. I just needed them to grow to get the seeds to plant back. But I have a huge cocoa over here. I love it so much. Huge root of cocoa, my people. Look, I love it so much. Yeah, I love it. So I need to clean up back this plantation because I need to plant some okra. All here I need to clean it out to plant some okra. I have a nice root of planting here also. And I have a lime plant that I engraft from a lime tree. Yeah, and I cut it off and plant it here. And look, it is beautiful. Yeah, so I bud it because I don't want it to spread. I don't want it to grow tall. I need it to spread. Yeah. So that is what is going on here right now. So I'm gonna go around the fence to check this tree here because I need to carry it back over the fence. Yeah, stop the goat them from eating it. Stick and stay, my people. All right, I need to get back. I need to get this. Do you remember my apple banana? This is my apple banana tree. You see how tall it grow? Yeah, my apple banana plant right here. Yeah, see how tall it grow? My apple banana. Yeah, my people. Yeah, this church plant I need to get it up because the goat them a come, like them a climb up here. Yeah, and I bite it. And goat mouth poison, anything goat bite, it don't grow back. So I need to see it here. Yeah, the goat them a bite it. I need to get it up somewhere, somehow. Whoa. I need to get it up. Alright, my people. So yes, my viewers, it's all about the channel Jamaican Farmers Hut. Don't forget to like, share, and to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to see the next video coming out. Alright. So my viewers, my name is Everton and I'm gonna be out. See you in the next video.